busy. I went to a confectioner shop. I brought samosa from there. I brought a bottle of cold drink. So I was doing this, and ma'am, the metro station is very near from my home. So they came by metro. So from there, I had to pick them up,
Yeah.
and then they spent almost a couple of hours. So I had to be with them all the time. And my ma'am, I also had a plan to fly kites. So I'm a kind of person who does everything in the dying moment. So I thought,
Okay, so how are you?
ma'am, I'm good. Actually, my Bluetooth was not connected, so that's why I was not in the right state of mind.
Oh, okay, okay, no problem, no issues, it's okay. Yeah.
Yes. And how are
Okay,
you,
so
ma'am?
I'm
This is
also fine. Yeah. Okay,
all right.
so how have been things? Like everything is going okay? Like whatever uh things you're doing right now, is everything going okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So far, so good.
Yeah.
Things have been pretty okay.
Okay. And so how did you spend your today? Like it was Independence Day today, so how did you spend it?
Ma'am, today I did multifarious things, and I was very much busy with multiple things. So today it was completely unexpected that some of my relatives came my home and I had to attend them. So it
Okay.
was not pre-planned at my home. So I was busy. I went to a confectioner shop. I brought samosa from there. I brought a bottle of cold drink. So I was doing this, and ma'am, the metro station is very near from my home. So they came by metro. So from there, I had to pick them up,
Yeah.
and then they spent almost a couple of hours. So I had to be with them all the time. And my ma'am, I also had a plan to fly kites. So I'm a kind of person who does everything in the dying moment. So I thought in the evening I'll go to the shop and I'll buy some kites or some string. But it was not possible. I was a bit tired and I slept for some time. Ma'am, the moment I woke up and it was already so dark. So I thought it was not use buying anything. Then that's how I spent my day, and I went on my terrace with my family members, and the scene was the scene was picturesque, and it was looking so beautiful, ma'am. It did not look like that it was an Independence Day. It seemed that it was Diwali. Yes, people were firing crackers, or there were some people those who set some candles on fire. Like at night, it looks very nice. So in Delhi, I guess it happens all over Delhi, and it has become a sort of trend that people usually follow this.
Okay.
Yes, and one more paramount thing I did was that I went live before this session on my YouTube channel. So these were the things I did, man.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so you said like it was more like a Diwali festival rather than Independence Day. So what are your views on it? Like, should they be fire burning crackers? Like, it's not something you celebrate in that grand way, but yeah, as it is, burning crackers is not good because of the pollution and all. So what are your views on it?
Yes,
Like, is this the
ma'am.
correct way?
I feel that because I'm an aficionado of crackers, so I love firing crackers. So I would not go against this. Ma'am, there are other, other ways to look after the environment, to look after the pollution or the polluted areas. So we usually have days to celebrate only for single day. Like Independence Day is the day that comes once a year. Diwali is also like that, that comes once a year. So I think we must fire crackers, but in a limit. We should not fire crackers excessively, because excess use of everything is bad.
Exactly.
Ma'am, and I also feel one thing, that today many people had their birthdays. So
Yeah.
because of this, they did that, because people have changed the definition of celebration, especially for their birthdays. They do not cut a cake, they go in open, they go to restaurants, or they fire some crackers. So this has become, earlier it was not like this.
Exactly.
So ma'am, this was the reason. That's
Yeah,
why I said it
actually, it
looked
is
like Diwali
so
today.
many people's birthday is today only. Like many of my friends also all have their birthday today itself. And my
Yes.
grandmother also, she was born on 15th August 1947 only. So
Oh,
yeah,
that's amazing.
yeah, she is not there with us anymore. But yeah,
Oh, I'm sorry to know this.
okay,
I wish she were here, so we could wish her on this special day,
yeah,
or you could wish her on my behalf.
yeah. Anyways, okay, so today's topic I think was food and restaurants. So anything you want to share about food and restaurants? Like Delhi has a
Yeah, sure.
lot of famous street foods. I've heard of that. Yeah, so tell me something about them. And I've gone to Delhi also, but I was very young back then. I was very small. So I don't remember much also. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So tell me something about the street foods.
Okay, ma'am, food is something that we are living for, and
Exactly. I
food has
feel you.
become the essential part. And food has become the essential part of everyone's life, because we usually have three times a meal. Like we do have breakfast, we do have lunch, and we do have dinner too. And if anyone is foodie, so that person can eat as much as time he wants to eat, or as many as time he wants to eat. So ma'am, as if it is about Delhi, so Delhi is highly known for food. Like wherever you go, you are going to find restaurants, or you are going to find some of the eateries. And when you go nearby those eateries, so anyone's birthday, any special day, or any festival. So ma'am, if I talk about today, so today, as I said initially, that I had some of my relatives to welcome. So for them, I brought samosa, I brought sweet, and I my mother made some pakode in the morning, because in the morning the weather was very nice. Or so
Yeah.
this is the thing, and food is something that we are very crazy for. Every time we have a specific craviness that we are going to eat something. We always have a sort of crave to eat something new. And ma'am, the market of food has increased very much. Earlier there were not varieties of food. Now we have got the varieties of food. Different cuisines are there. Like we do have Indian cuisines, French cuisines, South Indian cuisine. So Chinese or Japanese cuisines we have. It is because we have got different cuisines. That's why the variety of food has increased. Earlier, people did not know about momos, chow mein, or French fries, or there are many things that have been introduced to us.
Yeah.
Or when talking about restaurants, so I feel there has always been a moment where we all have been to a good restaurant, or a restaurant nearby us. And restaurant is a
Yeah.
place, when we go there, we feel rejuvenated, we feel energized. Or we usually go there for food. Or ma'am, I think it has become people's lifestyle. Like at the weekend, people usually go to restaurants, or there are many restaurants they want to explore, they want to visit. And as this entire world is all about internet, is all about social media. So ma'am,
Yeah.
there are some pages on Instagram. So whenever we come across those pages, so it plants something, or it makes us visit those restaurants. Like I have also been to several restaurants, so still I'm not satisfied. Every time if I get a chance to, I try to visit a new restaurant. And restaurant has also become a place where we can take selfies, where we can make videos, because they have some
Yeah.
attractive things to showcase to their customers. Or the
Yeah.
ambience of the restaurants are very attractive.
Exactly. And
So
they're
these are
perfect
the
for
things.
posting on social media.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, what is your favorite cuisine? Like Chinese, Japanese, Indian? Which
My
one?
favorite cuisine is South Indian cuisine, ma'am. I like to
Okay.
have sambar vada, idli, because they are considered considered the healthy food. So
Yeah,
right now
exactly.
I am out of condition. So I whenever I feel like eating something, so ma'am, I go for sambar vada or idli. They are
Yeah,
good in taste and easy to digest.
yeah. They are basically the healthy form of good food.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am,
Yeah.
if I ask you the same question, so which cuisine would you like to go for?
Uh, I can't answer this because I love everything. I am a very, very, very big foodie. So I love to eat
Okay.
everything and I love trying new things. So there is no particular thing that I like. It's like one item from each cuisine. It's something like that. So firstly, it's biryani from Mughlai
All right.
cuisine. Then it is lasagna from
Okay.
Italian cuisine. So there are many. It goes on. The list continues
All right.
like that only. So every food from each and every cuisine I like.
Okay, ma'am. This is good, and life is too short. So whatever you feel is good
Exactly.
to eat, if anything is edible, you must go for that because you never know what is
Absolutely.
going to happen. And I have seen people, those who stay
Yeah,
healthy, they also die because death has no calendar, and we never know what is going to happen in future. So we must die happily. We must eating whatever we have designed for, or we have the craving for.
yeah,
This is
absolutely. Yeah, so basically, I was telling that I saw in some post, I don't remember, like the one who introduced these gym things, like the dumbbells and all that. He died at the age of 46 or 48. So I was very shocked. Like he's one of the most healthy persons. How is he supposed to die at the age of 48? So after seeing that, I realized it's of no use. Just live happily. Be happy. That's the only motto of life. I feel
yes,
that
ma'am.
is it.
I agree with this.
Yeah.
Yes, I.
Okay. So other than idli, sambar, and all that, what else do you like?
Ma'am, it might sound tedious. It might sound boring that I like to have lentil or dal. I like to have that.
Okay.
Dal is my favorite dish or vegetable that I
Your
can
mother's cooked
have
that?
it. Yes, ma'am. My mother cooks
Yeah.
that, and I can have it throughout the week, or throughout the month, or throughout the year. I'm fond of it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's one dish which is made by our mothers, which we like love. Like that's the thing we can eat throughout the year. Like my mother makes one dish. It's what is the name? It's chicken chop. Yes, that is so delicious that I can eat it throughout the year. Like
All right,
it's
ma'am.
home cooked only, but it's so delicious. So yeah, mother's meals are always, no matter how it is, it's always
Yes,
the best.
it is delicious. Yes.
Yeah.
And ma'am, yes, the thing is that I am a vegetarian.
Oh,
Except
okay.
me, everyone eats meat at my home.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So this is the thing that I did. This is the reason I like dal. I like paneer
Yeah.
as well. So
Yeah.
chap is a sort of meat for me.
Yeah, yes.
Ma'am,
So,
have you heard
like
of
your
chap?
parents, yeah, soya chap, that is what you're talking
Yes,
about.
ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
India.
Yeah, okay. So basically your parents are non-vegetarian, but you are vegetarian.
Yes, ma'am.
So how did you like go into this vegetarian thing? Like, why is it vegetarian only for you? Like, is there, if you don't want to share, it's
Ma'am,
absolutely your choice.
happened that so it happened. I met with a fatal accident, and life for me completely came to a standstill. So there was a person, and he was a bit insane. One day I was sitting in front of my home, and I was in the pain. I used to be in the pain that point of time. So ma'am, that person told me that I must worship on Tuesday.
Okay.
So whenever anyone worships on Tuesday, and it is not compulsory, it is your willing. If you have the intention of, you feel like not eating meat, so it is up to you, because there isn't any religion that tells us that we should not eat meat or we should eat meat. So it is up to us. Like if you get something out of it, if you like eating that, you must eat it. If you feel that it's not
Yeah.
good for you to eat, so you should skip it. So this is what I do, ma'am. So since then, I started worshipping Lord Hanumana. I'm still a big devotee of Lord Hanumana. Today is Tuesday too. So after this
Yeah.
conversation, I'm going to worship.
Okay.
So, ma'am, because of this, I became a vegetarian because when I was bedridden, when I was hospitalized, during that time, I used to eat meat in hospitals. But
Okay.
after some time, I changed my mindset and I stopped eating it. So this is the reason. There is no any specific reason. I'm not forced for this, or I'm free. Whenever I want to eat it, I can eat. Otherwise, there is no
Yeah.
compulsion for it.
Your choice, yes, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, my choice is that. It is my choice.
Yeah. Okay,
Ma'am,
so
how
I
did
think
you spend your day? What did you do?
oh
Like,
yeah, okay. So basically, I went to watch a movie. It's Rocky or Rani Ki Prem Kahani, and then I went to College Street, which is like the place where we get books at very low price. So we went
okay,
there,
ma'am.
and I purchased a lot of books, and I'm about to get
Okay,
a
ma'am.
scolding from my parents because I purchased a lot. Yeah, I went with my
Okay.
friends. So yeah, I went there. Yeah, so this is how I spent my day. Yes.
All right, that was nice. So, what those books were related to? Were they related to
It's
your
all
school?
no, it's all study book, story books. I'm so sorry. It's all story books.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. Um, so I think we are about to like we have already crossed the time. So I think we can end here. But before that,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to give you a feedback if you want that.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Yes, I would
Yeah.
love to have that.
Yeah, yeah. So basically, there is no problem with your fluency and with your grammatical mistakes. It's just that there
Mm-hmm.
is actually no problem. Yeah, actually, there is no problem. Like, you are good in fluency also, in pronunciation also, and no grammatical mistakes also. So, if you continue practicing, it will just get better. So, there is no problem with anything as such. Yeah, that is what I felt. And it's always so nice to talk to you because I feel we get connected on many points. So, yeah, it's very nice to talk to
Yes,
you
ma'am.
actually.
I feel the same for you. Yes.
Yeah.
Whenever I get a chance to have a conversation with you, so I always feel that amicable, that I find that friendliness in every time we meet.
Thank you so
All right,
much.
ma'am.
It's like my success, maybe. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. It is.
Okay, then anything else you want to ask or say?
This is that I was super excited for this conversation because I knew you and you knew me a bit too. So it was pretty comfortable, and I did not have butterflies in my stomach before this conversation because it usually happens whenever
Yeah.
I choose a new tutor or trainer. So initially or at the beginning, ma'am, I don't know how to start, what to say, but after a few seconds, then I get my pace, I become comfortable, then I'm able to speak whatever the points I have. So this is a
Yeah.
benefit, and I really appreciate that.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Then I think that's about it. Then we can end the session.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
sure, ma'am.
Okay. Have a good day. Good night.
Okay, ma'am. You too. Bye. Take care.